Do you ever wish you could sit down with your younger self and say, hey, here's the things that are coming. If I could do that right now, so many things I would say to myself immediately. First thing I would say, take better care of your health, not later, not after you've damaged yourself, not after the doctor scares the shit out of you, not after you're on 10 medicines, not after being tired, but now, when you're 20, when you're 30. Because when you're young, you think your body's going to forgive you forever, but eventually it stops forgiving you. Second thing I would say, control your anger. Hard to say. You feel powerful when you're young and you're angry. Most of the time, it's actually just your insecurity, your fear, your ego, or pain trying to mask itself as masculinity or strength as a woman. Anger destroys relationships faster than almost anything. Another thing I'd say, listen better. Shut up. Listen. A lot of people are telling you what's going on way before they leave, way before they get mad. But younger men are like, bah, 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 bah. You ever done that? She's just bitching. She'll get over it. Absolutely not. Sometimes she's begging you to pay attention because the relationship is dying. Same for women and men. I would also tell myself to stop trying to impress people. Half the stuff that we chase when we're young doesn't matter a bit. Cars, the big houses, the ego, the image, the validation, the shit on social media, the pretending, being fake strong, none of that creates anything close to peace. And honestly, I probably would tell myself, don't you drink a bit, not one drop. That ruined my life. Well, I chose to ruin my life. That lesson cost me years. Maybe the biggest thing I would tell my younger self is time moves fast when you get older. Faster than you can imagine when you're 20 or 30 or 40. 1 minute you're 25 thinking, I got time. The next minute you're 57, divorced, realizing how precious every healthy year really is. That realization changed me in a good way. That's why I'm rebuilding my life. Hard to say. Fixing my health, my mindset, a new marriage, a better future, even preparing for a new chapter in 19 months. We're moving to Pereira, Colombia. As long as you're still breathing, as long as you're still walking, you get to decide how your story ends. If you change one thing today and keep going. If you're starting over like me, follow along, hit the subscribe button, type I'm in if you're doing this too. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.